How to add user in company account and manage permissions. As the root user, you have the ability to set permissions, decide who can access specific templates, and control what your team can view, edit, or be restricted from accessing. Adding a new user in Buopso is easy by itself, so we will also be discussing how to add a permissions template before adding a new user. In fact, more than half of this video is about creating and adding a permission template while adding a new user. Go to My Account from the module screen. Then click on Add User. Here, you can see the selected software, which is Lead Management here. You can also choose other Buopso modules or tools to set permissions for them. Enter your email ID and then click on Select Template. Choose Add Template from here. Now let's go to the Create button to start creating a user template. For example, you can create a template named Sales Agent Permission. You can start with managing lead record access. By selecting the pipeline, you can manage the access to records of that pipeline. For example, you select the custom pipeline. Here, you can enable functions like View, which allows the user to view the records. Edit, allowing the user to edit the records. Export, allowing the export of records. Assign, where the user can assign records to other users. Delete, for the deletion of records. Create, for creating records in the pipeline. And Import, for importing records into the pipeline. The owner-only option means that only the owner of the lead can use these functions, but if the owner assigns the lead to another team member, they will also have access. If you check everything, the user associated with this template will have access to all functions in the custom pipeline. Conversely, none means neither the owner nor the user can access these functions. You can also manage access to specific fields from Select Fields. Click on the default All or the number of fields under Select Fields. You can allow or disallow the users to create records and set form permissions. Besides, you can also choose whether each field and form is to be editable, read-only, or hidden for the user. Click on Select after making the changes. You also have the option to Manage Pipeline. When you click on, a table will appear where you can set permissions for the template, like whether you want your team to access the leads created by you, assigned to you, everything, or none. And similarly, you can control dashboard access, field access, and the ability to add users and teams, allowing users to access fields and add more users. Once you have made the changes, click on Save. Now let's go back to the Profile section from My Account and select Add User. Here, make sure that you have entered the email address of your team member and select the permission template you have just created. And then again, click on Save. We have added a new user by creating a new permissions template. Goodbye until next time.